Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what to look out for in a commercial roofing contractor. So kind of the worst case scenario would be if your roof is leaking, you get a couple bids for a commercial contractor, you choose the lowest one because they were lower by 50 bucks and they do your whole roof and stuff happens in the middle. Say you get a 10-year warranty and 4 years down the line you try to call that contractor, they don't answer their phone, they have an automated dial system that says they're out of business, you're totally screwed. So this whole thing is designed so that you don't fall into that scenario. So a couple things to look out for in choosing a contractor. The first thing is they've been around for decades. So like I said, when you get a 10, 15, 20-year warranty, if a company's been around for 40 years, they're probably going to be there to be able to last through that entire warranty period. So if they haven't been around for a while, it could be a little red flag for you. Next thing is, do they have a real office or a warehouse? Or is it 3 dudes in a garage that are doing your roof? Some advice, ask the contractor to get a tour of their building. If they got an admin office, huge warehouse, all this money invested in trucks and equipment, they're probably going to be around for a long time. Like I said before, the worst thing is to invest all this money and then 3 years down the line, they're just totally gone. The next thing would be ask the contractor what kind of products you're going to install on my roof. Some contractors just use whatever they can find the cheapest for them. Other contractors use high-end manufacturer products that require the contractor to be trained to use that stuff because they don't want just anybody installing their products and it doesn't look good and makes their brand look bad. So if you're choosing a contractor that uses the high-end stuff, yeah, it might cost a little more, but it's worth it because the products are good and everyone's going to last the length of the warranty. Another thing I want to talk about is, does the contractor have certifications or awards? At West Roofing, we're part of the SPFA, which is the Spray Polyurethane Foam Association. They give out certifications for master installers, project managers, where they have to have 500,000 square feet worth of work to get those certifications. So it's just something that puts one contractor over another and gives you confidence that your roof's going to be done right. Another thing is awards. I think West Roofing's got an award from the SPFA every year since 2005, I believe. You can check those out on our website. But certainly when you're comparing apples to apples with contractors, one that has awards should give you some confidence that they do good work and aren't going to abandon you 3 years and down the road. Another thing to look out for is precise case studies. Yeah, they come to your roof and they'll say, yeah, I've done a metal roof before. We've put foam over rubber before, but do they have precise case studies? Like, have you done foam over rubber that was leaking in 4 different areas? Or have you done a silicone restoration membrane over rubber that was this size of square footage? So, get a reference list, get phone numbers, get exact case studies from roofs that they've done 5 years ago. You can give them a call and say, hey, how's that roof going? Or, hey, is West Roofing, are they still servicing that roof? Or how's it going? Just anything that, gives you confidence it's going to be done right. And then the last thing is, does the contractor have an online presence? And do they have a website? How long have they been around? Where are they located at? One thing to look out for is Google reviews. People use Google reviews to complain about companies. They usually don't go on there and praise them ever, but if the company has 10 reviews and 9 of them are bad, saying that they don't answer service calls, they did bad work, they won't help me out, that's a red flag, as opposed to finding a different contractor that might have a couple good reviews every once in a while. So just a couple things for you out there. Again, just don't want you to put you into a predicament where someone does a roof and they don't show up 4 years later down the road. Hopefully you learned at least one new thing today. If you want to learn about each of these in more detail, please click the description in the bottom. There's a link to a blog post that has more details. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.